Alright guys, we're out here.
Hi Maverick. Hope you're seeing this because we're gonna rob Billy's car.
We're gonna clean off Billy's car.
No.
Go now, go! So I got a broom and I got a scraper. And we're just gonna clean off Billy's car.
This big full of ice.
Look at that. Ice has been sitting on Billy's car for like 4 days. When they get that side.
The other side?
Yeah, get that side.
Okay.
Be careful. Oh my god. Just a step. Oh. 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 Ah. Silly ass.
You're off, you stupid ice. Oh, there's a big ice piece.
Oh, look at this. Ooh. Oh, that was too easy. We basically finished this in like...
Mom, you're putting more ice into it.
Sorry. I've got nothing but a broom, guys.
No.
Alright, so...
No, it helps. Get ice from the bottom.
Oh. So...
The car.
Yeah, we're not on the street. So this is all pretty much done. Billy's car is all cleaned off, guys. Mission complete. Thanks to me and Manea being bored in the house. This is what we do. Alright.
You're welcome, Billy.
All done. Me and Nea. Come on, Nea. Let's go. I swear it feels like we live in Antarctica.
Yes,
Yeah, look at this.